Welcome to the channel of Bear's Corner. Today we shall discuss about care and management of pet dogs. First, housing or kennel. Normally, special housing is not arranged for one or two pets. Pet dogs must be provided with a bed in a corner of the house. Nowadays, movable plastic pens are available which can be kept at a suitable place for training purpose. In indoor dog clinics and at breeding studs, several dogs of different kinds may be required to be housed. For such conditions, kennels of variable size are constructed depending on the type and number of bitches to be bred and the kind of dogs. A kennel can be permanent house constructed by bricks and concrete or of temporary one of wooden planks, plastic sheets, insulated sheets, etc. Size and furnishing of pens. Average size of pen for non-breeding pet are as follows. For toy or small breeds, the pens may be 1 meter long, 75 centimeter wide and 70 centimeter height and covered with wire gauze. For medium breeds, the pens may be 1.5 meter long, 1 meter width and 1 meter height. For large breeds, it may be 2.5 meter long, 2 meter wide and 1.5 meter height. Each pen should be provided with a 15 centimeter wooden branch for resting, a bowl full of clean drinking water and a dish for feeding must be available. Height of fencing should be sufficient to prevent escaping of dogs during breeding season where they are highly active and acrobatic. The floor should have a thick layer of ash, sand or soft grass and should be kept free from sharp objects and other contaminants. The area for brood bitches should be at least double that for non-breeding bitches. A cardboard box should be placed around whelping for the rest of newborn puppies. Care of face. For cleaning of face, 6 linen pieces of 15 cm by 20 cm and 2 towels are required. Each piece for mouth, gum, teeth, ear, nose and eyes are required. A mild boric acid lotion or antiseptic lotion may be used when there is a thick mucus deposit on the edges of eyelids. A weekly mouthwash with a pinch of powdered common salt must be used to keep gum and teeth healthy. Some toothpaste are available for dogs, but their use has little benefit. Care of claws, dew claw and feet. Dew claws are considered unnecessary and removed at very young age of about a week. Nail cutting is not required in the working dogs but required in toy breeds. Foot pads and inner toe grooves should be cleaned and checked thoroughly at the time of grooming for thorns, injuries and tick infestation. Washing or bathing. Daily washing and frequent bathing should be avoided. On an average, bathing once a month or once a fortnight is quite satisfactory. The temperature of the water should be according to the environmental temperature. If the dog is infested with ectoparasites, it should be washed carefully with shampoo, continue, and insecticides. The dog should be rinsed thoroughly with ample clean water and wiped dry with a clean towel. Precautions should be taken during winter season and warm water should be used for washing in an enclosed place. The dog should not be let loose when wet because most of the dogs roll on the ground after washing. Care of skin and body coat. The dog is regarded as a non-sweating animal. Its skin contains the sebaceous gland Functional sweat glands are present in the foot pads and nose. The hair and skin of domestic dogs should be cleaned by routine grooming. Grooming should be a routine practice at a fixed place away from living rooms and kitchens, preferably in veranda or garage. Bedding. In tropical climates, dogs do not need any special bedding except a clean and dry wooden plank bench for rest and sleeping. A khadi duster or a piece of bed sheet may be comfortable bedding if at all it is necessary. Bitches should be provided with a old clean clothes or newspaper for preparing bed before whelping. Dry grass is often used in rural areas for winter breeding. Care must be taken for newborn puppies from cold when they are separated from mother at an early age, as suckling pups receive enough heat from the contact of mother. Transportation. Precautions must be taken during transportation of dogs, like the dog should be protected against rabies. It should be secured carefully. The dogs should be muzzled while being carried in public transport like a bus or a shared taxi. The dog transported by train, bus and plane should be muzzled and mildly tranquilized if aggressive. It should be secured with collar and chain and bear a number and address tag. The dog should be fed a light meal containing more meat and less fiber, which can reduce number of defecation. Some of the important points to be noted for proper care and management, like good response from the dog should be appreciated. Unruly behavior should be punished appropriately and immediately. Training should be gradual and too many instructions should not be given at a time. Special care should be taken to avoid misbehavior during breeding season. The dog should walk parallel to or behind the master. That's all. Thank you.